Today we will go through the settings for the RJS i5000 Auto Optic scan head. This is a full ISO analysis verifier for linear barcodes. First, we will go into the settings by pressing the print icon and the right arrow, and then scrolling down until you see Auto Optic settings. The first setting in this section is the aperture size. Some codes require a specific aperture, but a general rule of thumb is to have the aperture size to be about 80% of the X dimension in your barcode. For example, if the X dimension is 13 mils, you would select the 10 mil aperture. We do not suggest changing the wavelength, and it should almost always be on red. For the number of scans, we suggest at least 3 to get an average, but please know the worldwide standard is 10 scans throughout the height of the code. The final section is setting the days between field calibration reminders. This is dependent on how dirty of an environment you are in, but we suggest every 2 to 3 weeks or 14 to 21 days. Remember to save any settings you changed by scrolling to the very bottom and hitting Exit with Save. This concludes the basic settings for the RJS i5000 Auto Optic. Please see our other videos for more information or contact us for further questions.